Have you ever wondered if our reality is just someone else's simulation?
That would explain why my toast always lands butter side down.
I've been having these dreams where I can see the code behind everything,
Maybe you should take a break from programming for a while.
but what if I'm starting to see things as they really are? What if we're all just programs running in someone's cosmic computer simulation?
Then whoever coded this reality sure has a twisted sense of humor.
Or maybe we're trapped in a simulation designed to study the human psyche. What if our thoughts and emotions are just lines of code being executed?
That's a chilling thought. But even if we are simulations, our experiences still feel real to us.
But what if our entire reality is just a program designed to study human consciousness?
Then whoever designed this simulation has one twisted sense of humor, allowing so much suffering.